Putting so much effort to lose your body weight doesn't mean you will always get the results you want. You have to find out those reasons behind the failures of losing your body weight. Let's talk coming up. Hello friends, this is me Surendra from my YouTube channel, bringing you a lot of inspiring and fascinating facts. On this YouTube channel, I will discuss about the popular facts and trending news among the community. If you're already here, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for further notification. So let's lose our body weight. Our common habits before the sunrise and in the morning inadvertently end up sabotaging our weight loss. If we never take a step to prevent them, we will never able to get them under control. So, what are our common habits that's stopping us from losing our body weight? First thing first is sedentarism. Just changing the way of eating doesn't even going to help us in any way to lose our body weight. Move your body rather than just sitting in front of a television and just having a cup of tea is not going to help you in any way. Moving your body muscle, or in other words exercise, and having a balanced diet food are undeniable facts that really keep off your body weight. Second is staying until late night. If you're always keeping awake till wee hours in the morning, then without a doubt, you're already sabotaging your waistline. You need adequate amount of sleep to help your hunger hormones in check. Lack of sleep often lead to a bad habit that stop you from losing weight. Even though you can survive your day with a little sleep, but trust me, it's never going to help you to lose your body weight. When you are sleep deprived, your hormones will change and this will lead to increase in appetite. Sleep deprived individuals have the decreased ability to control their sugar levels in their blood. A hormone in human body that known as leptin, which helps reduce the appetite in human body, will reduce when you are sleep deprived, and this will lead you to increase of food intake during night time. Eventually, this will increase the chances of you getting obesity. Third is you skip water intake in the morning. According to doctors, about 2/3 of water make up human body, which is almost 60% of human body weight. Humans get dehydrated if water content in their body start to reduce. This is why most of people will feel thirsty in the morning or even after a long time of sleep. Water increases the metabolism rate of body and it plays important role in reducing body fat. Fat people usually have lower water content in their body than thin people, and this is why doctor advise fat people to drink a lot of water or more water than thinner people. Fourth is you refuse to have heavy breakfast. High energy breakfast really help everyone to lose their body weight, especially for diabetes patients. Such way of eating really reduce the need for insulin. Your body really needs fuel in the morning to kickstart your metabolism rate, increase the sugar level in the blood, and also put you in the better pathway to successfully reduce your body weight. Last but not least, you skip your daily morning exercises. Why you need exercises? Well, morning exercises really help you to reduce the desire to have heavy meals after your day starts. A study conducted by Dr. Emma Stevenson of Northumbria University, UK, England said that people who do morning exercises tend to have lighter meals after their day starts. His research also disclosed that people who exercise in the morning with empty stomach have higher tendency to lose body weight than the people who exercise in the evening. Well friends, I have a question of the day. My question of the day is, how do you overcome your bad habits that's stopping you from losing your body weight? Let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, share this video to your friends. We educate the community, we share the knowledge, we rise by lifting others. Thank you. Thanks for checking out this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep crushing it and we will talk soon. Bye.